Hello and good day. Welcome to another one of my tutorials. Here I'll be talking about roaming profiles. Roaming profiles is a way of accessing all the work you've saved on one computer on a network and accessing it, being able to access it on another computer on the same network. Alright, so here we go to Server Manager, Roles, Active Directory. Go into your forest, into the user section. Now I'll be creating a new user. I'll just call it new user because I'm not that creative today, okay? Right. Next, user cannot change. I don't really want the user to change password. Just take what you get and give nothing back. Or something like that. No, take what you can, give nothing back. Okay, finished. Let's go into the user profile. For the profile path, here we will be inserting the profile path for the profiles folder we will be creating, as well you will see right now. So you go to my computer, local disk, and you create a new folder, call it profiles, because here's where the profile information will be stored. Now you have to share this folder, so you go to properties, sharing, call this sharing everyone. Alright, and this will be this here will be what you'll be inserting along with another thing I'll show just now. But before we get into that, let's go to advanced sharing to make sure that all the permissions are set. Alright, share name, profiles. I don't really want to put information right now, so full control, allow, change, read, allow, apply, okay. Oh, what? Share name profiles already exists for this resource. Please choose the share name. Profiles 1. Okay, apply. Okay. Alright, so here we have our folder created. You highlight and copy this for to save time. Alright. Backslash, and the user I want in is not bsmith, new user. Or also you can use the %, username, % shortcut, which changes whatever is within the % to the username of the profile that you're in. Yeah. Alright, and okay, we are done. Next, we test out to see if our thing is working. We'll have to log into another user. So when I Alabama. Now in permissions, these things will not be selected for whatever reason, so you will have to make sure these are also selected. You apply. Okay, and you are done. Now I'm going to sign in the user account, user.new. This is the format they told me to put it in, so for it to work I have to put the profile in just the same way they told me to. Here I'll be doing a test, creating a file on the desktop and hoping that I'll be able to get it on when I log on to another account. Okay, so now I'll create a text file on the desktop. Yes, my favorite friend, Notepad. Right, so let's call it "It Works" and save as "Does it work" to the desktop. Alright. Okay, and just for a little, insight, when you do make this, a profile for this user should be or should have been created. So let's go into profiles and look at that. Oh, okay, what? Okay, I don't really care about entering the folder, but right, that's sort of embarrassing. Anyway, I do not have restrict access to this profile, but as we can see, we have proof that it is indeed working. So now all there is left to do is to sign in from another client and to see if we can access the file that we have created on the desktop. And welcome back. I had to go and create a new client to demonstrate the second half of the tutorial, so here goes. Now I'm going to sign in with the user account, new user, administrator. What? Right. And if we are successful, we should be able to see the text file that was created. What? New user, new user. I want to first. Right. New user. Oh, right. User dot new. So remember, you have to enter just as it is, just how they have it. You have to enter it just like that. So make sure you put it in the right order, the way you want it, or you'll end up with a backwards type name like Smith John instead of John Smith and all of that. And if we are successful, we should be able to see the text file that was created on the first half of the tutorial. Look at that. I wonder what this is. A message from the past, maybe? And you see, it does in fact work. You can even change it up again and check the other client. Okay. Thanks for the help. Alright. Ooh, and for roaming profiles to work, they must be on the same network, so ensure that your clients and the other PCs that you intend to use for your profile roaming are on the same network. And yes, it does work. Thank you very much for staying with me this long, and have a good day or night.